everything. It's everything. Like,
Hello everyone, today we have little Nacho here. He's my best friend.
Oh yes, this is Tan as well.
Welcome to the Surfing Lizard. And today he's going to come here review a Tomyum noodle soup.
Oh, I cannot wait. This is so exciting.
So I'm gonna have one and Nacho gonna have one. Okay, and that's it. We put on a plate. Once again, let me introduce this dish. 24 hours cooked Tomyum noodle with chicken, mushroom, crispy bacon, and rice noodles. Look at his face.
My goodness,
That's exciting.
I am excited. This is amazing.
We don't usually put chopstick outside, so if you need chopstick, please come and ask one of our staff. And we're gonna give you this. So this is a bamboo. Pretty good for the environment.
Oh, let's go. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so good.
What do you smell?
I can smell a concoction of spices. I can smell just so much goodness in this.
You can't even tell because this is our secret recipe. You know Tomyum is all about Thai, Thailand.
Yeah.
If you go to Thai restaurant, you can't find this flavor.
It is so
Yeah, Thai's flavor is about salty and sour. Our flavor have sweet, sour.
salty, everything. It's everything. Like, the soup is what makes everything. Literally, it's all about the soup.
If you eat noodle, it's all about the soup. The soup makes the dish.
But the soup is irreplaceable. And you know, it's not all the time you can have this, right? You can only have it during the winter seasons. Am I right?
Exactly. So, if you come in winter time, you can get it. In summertime, it's not available.
Incredible. I mean, I wish it was, because I think this should be something that's served all year round. But I get it. This is a very, very special dish, only reserved for a very special time. Is this fish cake?
That is a crispy tofu.
I can't tell what it is. It's just so nice. And look, mushroom, fresh tomatoes, and of course, chicken. There you go. A very wholesome meal. I think that I love how well-rounded the flavor is. Combination of just so many flavors in it. If you are looking for a meal where you can get your carbs in order, your protein in order, all the veggie and fiber, this is the meal you need.
Can you tell the difference that when you go to a Thai restaurant, you try the Tomyum and the Tomyum at the Surfing Lizard?
I can't tell how it's different. All I can tell is it's very different from the Tom Yum soup that you can get at any ordinary Thai restaurant.
To be honest, I didn't think anything about this. He turned up. I saw him at my cafe. I told him, say, how about we do food review today? And he asked me so many questions. He said, oh, what I'm just saying on the video, something. Just so we don't fake things. We make things real.
Right.
Real. You know, even good or bad. Of course, if it's a good thing, I post. If it's a bad thing, I cut.
Nothing bad. This is a 5-star Tom Yum soup.
You can get it in Tomyum in Thai restaurant.
This is just perfect. You know, if you're concerned that it's too spicy, it's not.
When they look at the bowl, we're like, that looks a bit spicy.
Yeah.
But trust me, it's not spicy.
It is one of the most wholesome flavors you could get. Even someone with a low spice tolerance like myself, I sweat a lot when I eat spicy food. I'm surprised at myself that I'm not sweating. There's something about this spice that's just so mild that the spice is actually enjoyable. You know, it doesn't take away the taste from the Tom Yum soup at all. And I think most of the spicy food, when you eat that, you know, you mask all of the other flavors. In this case, it doesn't. It actually doesn't mask any of the flavor. It's a wholesome flavor.
Yeah. And we understand Australian people, they don't really take spicy. If you want your Tomyum more spicy, then let me know. I can make it more spicy for you.
Oh, there you go.
No problem.
Custom made.
Custom made. So make sure you tell us. We do the cooking up to your liking.
Wow, okay. Custom. I think the spice is amazing. It's perfect. I wouldn't ask for it to be more spicy. I wouldn't ask for it to be less spicy. I think it is the perfect amount that anyone can enjoy without taking away the flavor, because often spicy food takes away the flavor of the other food. This doesn't. You can still taste the mushroom. You can taste the spinach. You can taste everything.
So this is the first time Nacho to be invited on YouTube channel. What do you think about it?
I'm pretty excited. I've never been on a YouTube channel before, so I think this is going to be my first feature. Amazing. And where better to be in a place where we can review Surfing Lizard's food. You know, I've been coming here since, I don't know, I think it's been 3-4 years, and I was referred to this place by a very good friend of mine, and this is one of our favorite spots. This place is made special because of Tam, one of the most genuine business people you'll ever meet. I think customer service will always the number one priority, and I think that's what makes a business thrive. It's, you know, the founder's passion. I think that Surfing Lizard is one of the most reviewed cafes out there. This is a place everyone should know about. They provide so many jobs to so many people, so many young people, so many teenagers who come here for their first ever job experience. Tam gives them that opportunity, he gives them that chance. It's as Australian as you can get. That he's created a very, very loyal following of people who, you know, not only bring their friends but also come here because they themselves enjoy the food, and they enjoy Tam's company as well.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
If we open up another cafe in Secret Harbour in Rockingham in the 5 months time.
5 months time is going to be another one. That's so special. If you're living in Rockingham Foreshore, if you live anywhere close to Secret Harbour, it is worth taking that trip. It is worth driving all the way to Secret Harbour, to wherever Tam has chosen his new secret location. I think we all don't know that, and it's better kept secret.
Next to the surf club.
Yep.
Building.
Oh, it's not a secret anymore. It's a...
Not a secret, harbour secret building.
Wow.
That will be a secret something in the future. Check out everyone. 5 months time, another cafe open up in Secret Harbour. Still, we're the same Surfing Lizard, same love, same passion. It's the end of video, and like I say, there's a lot more videos coming. And trust me, I'm gonna teach you everything. From wash dishes, running food, coffee, make coffee.
What a star, this guy. What a legend.
I don't want to hide things. I'm not selfish.
You've done so much for so many young people. You've given kids opportunities like no one I've ever seen, and I think that shows how big a heart this guy has, and that's why you should support Surfing Lizard, because, you know, it all comes from the heart, and if the founder has a good heart and a giving heart, I think we should all get behind small business, especially during this time right now. You know, things are hard for hospitality businesses. They're struggling right now, and for Tam, he's been able to keep a loyal following, but he never takes that for granted. I know that because of the amount of hard work he puts. It hurts him with every negative review that he gets, you know, and it lifts him up every time he gets a good review. You know, it actually affects, you know, the business itself. You know, so this is why it's so important, you know, that we want everyone to come here, and if you enjoy it, we would love for you to give a good review and support Tam in his future cafe, and also at this current location here in Coogee. So you must come, you must support Tam. He's a man with a big heart, and if we keep giving to him, he can continue giving to the community.
Thank you very much, Nacho.
Thank you. Thank you.
We don't want to talk more.
Yes.
Because
I'll
start crying.
Yes, I'll start crying. Yeah.
That's very touching. Thank you very much for all the good things.
No,
we
thank you.
don't set things up.
No.
This is real and real.